Preview.
Hello friends, this is Manikandan, founder and CEO of LeTechs. In this video, you will learn one of the MT5 features, so template, how to create your favorite chart settings as a template, the same as how to reload your existing saved template to some another charts. Okay, before see this feature, first we will see what is template. So template is going to help you, so your favorite existing chart settings and parameters, everything, no need to change in each and every charts your favorite settings. Just save your favorite settings as a template and just reload to the some another chart. So where you are want, so just reload it. It will automatically your another chart settings also change as per your favorite settings. Okay, so first we will see, so this is the common chart setting. So actually I want to change my candle colors, so green and red, and some things I no need to show this bottom of the volumes, so tick volumes, so it no need. So as well as I want to insert some indicators into my charts, so just I will do it everything. So everything I will be changed. So this is my favorite chart settings. So actually I want this settings for my all open charts. Okay, so in another charts I no need to change this parameter settings or parameters, and for each and every charts just I save it as a template. So just to right click anywhere of the chart, go to template options. So in the template, so it shows the few settings. Save template, first one option, save template, just save it, save template. You can choose your template name. Just I just give test. Okay, so my template name, so just to save it. So again I open another one chart, for example USD chart. So this is the common basic chart settings. So but I want the existing settings, so simply you can, no problem. So again anywhere of the chart you can right click it. So go to the template, so sorry, template, so go to the load option. You can load from test. Okay, so here on the test you can select and open it, or otherwise just you can right click anywhere of the chart. So template, you can see the bottom of the screen, it shows the already what are the templates you have saved. So all the list will be appear here, so you can select from here also. Okay, so just I select it, test, you can see. So my existing chart settings, everything imported or changed here also. Okay, so this is the easy and smart feature also. So maybe your customized parameters and everything, all the details, so you can just change in one single chart and save it as a template. Again just to reload to too many charts, just so I will do it again, another one chart. So here also USD cat, so just to go to template, so reloaded test it. So here also, okay, so USD JPY, USD CAD, and USD Euro USD. So wherever you want, you can just simply load it. So not only in the same device, so if you are save this template file and reload to the another device also, so you can use it the same features. Maybe suppose if you are used any external indicators or external export advisor, everything, suppose if you are inserted in the template files, so you want the same source file also into copy the another device template folder, sorry, indicator folder, or expert for expert advisor. Suppose if you are used in any indicator, you want to copy the external indicator and copy the same another device indicator file, so the load it. After that, if you are using the template file, so it will work perfectly. Otherwise external file only missed, other internal settings everything will be appear in your chart. Okay, okay, next one more thing. So maybe a bit difficult to use template, so each and every time the right click and go to template. Okay, So one more options are available. In the top of the tools icon area, there is no available your in default. Okay, in default there is no available your template icons. So just you can insert your template icons in the top of the screens also, you can possible. So just I will explain you how to insert your template icon in the top of the screen. Just go to the in the first one option, so standard icon, okay, area. You can just anywhere of this area, just right click in the this portion, go to the bottom settings, customized settings. So you can, this is, if you need or you want, you can insert these all settings in the your top of the toolbar set, toolbar area. Okay, but I want just template icon. So go down actually, so come down. Okay, templates, just click it, insert. So now my template icon also appeared in the top of the tools icon area. Okay, so go to this portion, so this is the template. You can insert from here also. Okay, so this is the easiest method. You can save through this icon, as well as you can load your existing saved template from this icons also. Okay, so for example, again I will load it the test icon, sorry, test template. So here also now my template also loaded. Okay, so almost you got the knowledge about what is the template and how to save or customized existing chart settings as a template. Next, how to reload the existing saved template to some another charts. So still, if you have any doubts, you can just text me in my WhatsApp, or otherwise leave your comment in the video comment portions. So I will clarify you some upcoming videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.